Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling, helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element, where you can't catch the breeze, while you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me, getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, we in this thing. One more game. Working on the greenhouse today. You did what I'm saying? What we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and take up that front brace, you know what I'm saying? That flow base that I put down there. Trench it out real quick. Then we got to make the base frames for the windows. We're going to start stacking some windows and start getting things prepared to go all the way around. But I'm going to work on one side at a time to make sure not only do we have enough windows, but we making sure everything is straight in this mug. You did what I'm saying? So about to make it do what it does real quick. Got to do some prep work and some cleanup, but that's the mission for today.
To the bare places to watch the quality and life increase. I'm on the way into the day I die, helping life on earth survive. This world business with no jive. I used to look the chicken right in the eye, thanking for life, doing me, and then hours later he was getting fried. No, don't be surprised, it's just a part of that farm life. A Kuma Matata is gonna be alright. Now I only eat that plant life. Had to switch my metrics a little bit so I can get my understanding.
Okay, so what I just did right here was I basically trying to level that thing out. You did what I'm saying? It's a hill right there, but what I'm trying to do is level it out so it'll be easy trying to basically work inside this greenhouse. You did what I'm saying? There's not a lot of space in here, so we want to make sure we have basically a smooth transition getting in and a nice and safe and healthy working place for all the dirt babies. You dig?
Wave and it's so prolific. Outdoor fresh farms right now, it's like bombs, so make sure you catch it. Get out the way, cause it's on the way, and it's so
Yeah, man, before we get to the next order of business, make sure you smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to like, share, subscribe too. Now let's get to some trenching. You dig?
one that provide for us, so we need to take care of her and change the way that we live it. Give your heart a good feeling to make a better earth for the children. Flow global warming pushes to extinction. Growing these plants every which way. Them marigolds help keep the bus away. Them beats on they job so they pollinate.
Yeah, man, y'all see it. Got that trench together, you know what I'm saying? It ain't all the way right, but it's gonna be all right for right now. You dig what I mean? But look, that boy Mulder came in this thing. Okay.
I'm here.
You can't see him. You can't see him. He camoed out.
You see me
know what I'm
camo.
saying?
You can't.
Ready to go.
You can't see your boy.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, man. So what we about to do now is go ahead and cut these 2x4s and make us, like I said, a base frame so we can run off in this thing and make sure it's level, and then screw that mug in and make sure that's sturdy, and then we can start stacking us some windows on top of that thing and start making this greenhouse look like something. You dig?
Run and tell somebody quick about all this knowledge, so Mother Nature can start to heal from the new way that we started it. Let's monocropping out in the field, stop cutting the forest, let it refill. The animals should be free because we waste so much space. Go back to garden and gather in, regenerate the earth, let it plaque again. So fresh air can create the wind and the water can flow clean again. Regenerate the earth, let it plaque again from the new way that we...
Yeah, man. Y'all see it. We got that thing in there. You did what I'm saying? About to lock it in with some screws, but y'all see it's level. You did. And this right here is just some little plastic. Try to do a little weatherproofing. You did what I'm saying? And then at the same time too, we're gonna go ahead and basically make this bottom part, this bottom base, we're gonna put some wood paneling on it and stuff like that to make it real dope-alicious. Dope-alicious. You did what I'm saying? That's a good one. Dopalicious. Yeah, you did what I'm saying? So, yeah, man. We get into it. Making the plaque happen. You did.
Breaking down parameters with agricultural Canada. Come from southwest of Atlanta. They know I'm up in Canada. Stay tuned in pretty soon. I'm going to be farming out in Africa. Outdoor fresh form, I got it jumping like a pogo. Ask them who their favorite former is. They scream Lelo. Shot all net like Kobe from the free throw. It's a must that I let my light shine everywhere that I go. I said it gon' shine, I'm forever gon' glow. Cause it see me, it ain't on me. Plus I'm walking in my truth.
Yeah, man, y'all seen we just got that first window in this thing. And yeah, I got that good demolition tool, you know what I'm saying? That Rage 15 inch. You can get this on my Amazon shop, you dig what I'm saying? Under tools. Now I'm gonna go ahead and let Maul use this thing because we ain't using the whole part of the window. Like this little excess little outer frame thing, we getting rid of that. We want as much window as possible, you dig what I'm saying? So yeah, go ahead, Maul. Show them what it's working with. Thank ya.
Outdoor fresh form, I got it jumping like a pogo. Ask them who their favorite former is. They scream Lelo. Shot all net like Kobe from the free throw. It's a must that I let my light shine everywhere that I go. I keep them crops standing tall. Spring, summer, winter, fall. Grow some tomatoes that's big as softballs. Watermelon full of juice. They feeling like laws. Overgrowing those stalks that's 7 feet tall. Start yourself a garden with the money you spend in the mall. Go outside.
Lelo ain't want to show me that technique at first. Why ain't just tell me to hammer it out?
Hey,
you got me over here.
You got to show them. You got it.
Nah, I like this thing, man. What is it called? The what?
It's a Rage 15 inch demolition tool.
Like
you dig what I'm saying? You can grab 2x4s and studs and rip them out. You can use this to pry things, get nails up, and you also see it got a hammer part too, amongst other things. So yeah, check that out on the Amazon shop. You dig?
It's Lelo, I'm one of the realest in it. Spreading knowledge just so you can get it. I used to dodge cars, thankful they didn't hit me. Now I build gardens that grow prolific. In your backyard, it don't matter to me. That pork the patio or I can even window sit it. I don't care, I can grow wherever. Cause the sun, moon and water, they all work together. Nature is a simple science, but it get complex. But don't worry your little head, cause I'll explain all of that. If you have a question, I advise that you ask. Cause time is steady ticking, and it's moving fast. Put those seeds in the ground and they grow expeditiously. Out there placking in the garden and they grow prolifically. Somewhere out in the garden, that's where you can find me. People don't even go outside, yeah, I'll still be digging me. Out there placking in the garden and they grow prolifically.
Yeah, man. Sorry for the sun glare, but as long as you know the sun is up there, everything is all to the good. You dig what I'm saying? But y'all see it. We got 2 windows. Not 1, but 2. Off in that thing. And then look at that. Look. Y'all can see that thing. Dead center on the level. Ooh. Yeah. So that thing is looking real good. Got our little quick little waterproofing, weatherproofing type system down there at the bottom, but we're gonna cover that up and make that a little bit better. But we got this thing 30. Look, it's 30. It's 30. Y'all see that? They 30. They in there. You dig? Yeah, man. Before we start doing our next step on this greenhouse, make sure you holler at your boy and get your consultation in this thing. If you want your garden or your greenhouse, your farm or whatever to be on point and plaqued for the 2023, get at me. Whether it be on IG, Gmail, Facebook, or whatever. Then I can come out there and tell you what you can do to make sure that you're plaquing and everything is prolificating on a high level this year. You dig? Y'all see it. We just got that first part together over there. But what we about to do right now is basically rinse and repeat. We're about to go ahead and build the little trench, or dig the trench out right here. So then we could put our base frame in. Then we could put our windows on top of that. It's not the same windows. I know that's a little smaller area right there, but we got windows to fit in there too. Ooh, and it was all for the free $99. You did what I'm saying? I ain't pay not one dime, just a little gas and a little work to load up on the truck. But yeah, that's what we about to do. Dig this trench out, build a base frame, and then stacking windows up in this thing. Yeah, man, y'all see that thing. Sorry about the glare, but the sun is up there. You did what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Look, we got the whole front wall. What? Hello. Can you see me? Okay then. We put them little small 2 windows over there. You did what I'm saying? And we are good in the hood. Yeah, man. We been out here getting to it. Y'all seen it. How we been doing it. But I'm getting hungry. I don't know about Maul, so
time to eat.
Yeah, man. You gotta go ahead and whip it out. Y'all know how we do it. So, yeah, man. Stay tuned, cause it's about to be din time. Well, not din. I guess this will be a quick little nut. You know what I'm saying? Little snacky wacky. You did what I'm saying? With tea time. You dig?
I know that they slamming the veggies, the fruit. I know they taste better, potatoes, tomatoes. I grow whatever, I drop it in time. They come up on schedule. No need to panic when it's organic. 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 I got the knowledge, so I grow wherever. I produce, I grow. I know it tastes better. All that I need is my hoe and my shovel. I drop it in time. They come up on schedule. No need to panic. Yeah. When you grow your fruit organic. Yeah. Cause after you grow your own, yeah, you'll feel the satisfaction, yeah, of produce piling faster, yeah, so you can empty out your basket, yeah, so now keep it growing, yeah, until you get it mastered, yeah. I'm about that farming, so plant it up. Them fruits and them herbs be healing us. The food that I grow tastes miraculous. Be pollen to help clear your sinuses. Don't believe what I say? Well, look it up. I am never giving job to ya, cause I had no time to lie to ya.
Yeah, man. Once again, we in that thing. You did what I'm saying? Y'all see what we did back there? You know what I mean? Put up the whole side of the wall. You feel me? Trying to get my awesome sauce out there. Yeah. There it is. You know what I'm saying?
Too hot for TV.
Yeah. I need that heat off in me. Did that Tabasco boy right here. You know what I'm saying?
Fresh pick.
Yeah. Straight from the outdoor fresh farm. You did what I'm saying. Y'all already know. Holla at your boy. For that, you did. Yeah, man. I got that batch for you. You hear me? So, yeah, man. Let me go ahead. Oh, y'all see it. You know what I'm saying? Real quick, like vegan taco. You know what I'm saying? Had 3 different type of bell peppers in that thing. Had some onions in that thing. And them baby portobellos.
Yes, sir.
You know, Jeff was hit it with it. You hear me? Yeah. That's solid right there. Yeah. Hey. We gonna smash out. We'll hit you right back.
In a minute.
Yes, sir. Woo-wee! That thing, that was just busting off the chain. You hear me? Woo. Man, y'all see, we've been out here working. You know what I mean? It's starting to get dark time on us. And it is just, 5:15 in the PM. You did what I'm saying? But my boy Maul came through and he helped your boy make it do what it do. We got that front wall together on that greenhouse. And hey, man, it's going to be off the chain in this thing. Which leads me to, now it's time for y'all to hit me up and get your consultations today. You did what I'm saying? This is a part of preparation so we won't have piss poor performance come 2023 in the springtime. So I'll be able to germinate, propagate, and start proliferating these plants on my own terms right here at the Outdoor Fresh Farm, which will in terms make them a lot more healthier because I didn't know what these plants have in them. You did what I'm saying? From the hoochie water all the way down to them good wines that would be in the soil. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man. Y'all see we making it do what it does. Also, like I told y'all last week, got this little thing going on with Harvest Harmonics. We almost in there. And I will be telling y'all exactly what Harvest Harmonics is and what the mission is and how you can become a part of it. So stay tuned for that. And last but not least, we got the solar. You did what I'm saying? Freedom Forever. Yeah, we got some tying in with them too. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I will be definitely diving in and letting you know exactly what it will be and what it is gonna be as soon as we get everything tightened up and all that good stuff. Y'all saw we had that demolition tool as well Y'all make sure y'all go to that Amazon shop. Y'all see the link right there. Boop, boop. You did what I'm saying? So y'all can see everything else that I have been using and we have in store. Even these little cups. Amazon. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man. We're making it do what it does. Just ate some of that good old that was like vegan burrito.
Burrito.
You did what I'm saying? Had the baby portobello mushroom, red, orange, and yellow bell pepper, red onion, and we hit that thing with a fresh batch of spinach. You know what I mean? On the end piece. So, yeah, man. What you think about that?
Hey, man, I enjoyed it. I really do appreciate you splitting the one with me.
Yes,
you did have one and a half. I appreciate that. You know what I mean? But nah, man, it's always good. The food is always good. It's always a good time. Like you said, we put it up the greenhouse right now. Got that whole front wall done today, knocked out today. Had a good time, man.
That's what's up.
Like you said, it's all just enough time to go and watch football.
You hear me?
Let's get on and watch some football. You know what I mean?
The sun ain't down all the way. You did what I'm saying? But we about to get up out the way. You did what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Go ahead and tell them where they can get that drip from, man.
Oh yeah. We still got the Billies.
You know what I'm saying?
We still got the Billies. This is the Billies hoodie. We're still out here. But yeah, man, you can always go to at Billies Till Apparel on IG. Come out and check me out, man. I got some new apparel that's coming up. We coming up on our first year. We've been going for almost a year. February we'll make a year.
Yeah.
So, man, I'm excited about that. So make sure you go check us out. And as you can see, it is cold in Atlanta.
Yes.
It is definitely cold in Atlanta. So we're still doing those blankets. Still need those blankets. Still need those scullies. And those socks because the homeless is outside and it's freezing out here, man. So let's continue to do our part. The registry will be down below. Thank you guys that's been sending things. I've been getting it, and I'll continue to put them up, man. Thank you guys.
What that registry is though, man?
It's with Amazon.
Amazon.
Yes,
Mimi's house, right?
Mimi's house is with Mimi's house. I'm sorry about that. Mimi's house is the nonprofit that we're doing this through. And that registry is with Amazon. It will be at the bottom. It's a long little link, bro.
Yeah,
it's a
long.
Amazon.com.
Yeah.
So much stuff.
Yeah. So make sure y'all smash down on them links below, cause we got them for you. Which way you trying to go, or you trying to find some information about anything, we got you. You did what I'm saying.
Appreciate you guys, man.
Y'all be easy. We appreciate y'all staying tuned with us and checking us out and getting down with the get down, how we get down. You did what I'm saying. I apologize for the sun being behind us this time, but we were trying to show y'all how that greenhouse and everything got put up today. Well, at least one front wall up.
Right.
But we will be coming to you soon, so stay tuned. You did what I'm saying? Make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and make sure you get your consultation, your Billy Chill Apparel. We got your solar together, Horace Harmonics, your dig seasoning, and
hold on.
What that?
Hammer pads.
Hammer pads. So y'all be easy, and we'll catch y'all next time. Peace.
Goddamn hammer pads.
Hammer pads.
Hammer pads.